Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So today I'm looking at a brand new 2025 Grand Design Reflection. It's a 150 series. Let's go check out the model number. This unit, oh there it is right in front. Hey, it's a 295 RL. So this unit's in here for some warranty concerns. It's also in here for its first wheel bearing pack, and it does have that new CURT CST suspension. So as soon as we start the wheel bearing pack on that, we will give you some more videos and posts and stuff on there. So on this unit, it came in here for, again, maintenance and some warranty work. If you didn't already know, we are authorized to do warranty repairs. We do have a local dealership that's near us, and we do appreciate them and support them, you know, sell the heck out of them, and we're here to help you, not work against you. So if you are in our area and you need help, we'd be glad to help you. Or if you're having problems with that dealership, same thing. Call and get a hold of them. From what we hear, they're pretty decent folks up there, up north of us. And you know, at the end of the day, it's a small community, the RV repair industry, so we're all here working together. We're not here to bag on anybody else or say somebody did something wrong. We would never do that. But if you haven't already joined us too on our Grand Design Facebook group, we have over 57,000 members, and that's Grand Design RV Owners Maintenance and Repair in the RV Shop with Dustin. So I use these videos for a number of reasons, some for just an update, some to share with the manufacturers what's going on, some to share with the customers what's going on, some to say, hey, there's warning, look out for this or that. Sometimes it's for tools, products, accessories, and whatnot. And so, you know, it's just to keep everybody out there encouraged about RVing, let them know what we're up against, you know, from an actual shop's perspective. Now, we don't get paid by anybody, in case you ever wondered. You know, we do have a small monetization, and it's pennies on the dollar compared to what we're doing here at the shop. So we just do it more so for fun and educational reasons, and then personal stuff that I have listed online that I've done in the past. But it's a place where we can, you know, share a video, and then a couple years from now you can come back and be like, I remember when I did that, or I remember when he griped at me and said, oh, you need to do this, and you chose not to. And then you come back and I said, well, remember that video I did where I told you should do the body reseal or the roof reseal or whatever, or you should do X braces or chocks or make your life better. And then you didn't listen, and then you came back years later and said, yeah, I'm finally ready to do that. So anyways, stay tuned for more. I'll quit harassing you. It is Thursday the 2nd. We're getting ready to have 4th of July. We're going to be closed tomorrow on Friday. So I wish everybody out there a good, safe 4th of July. Be careful, be safe. Make sure if you've got a new unit or even an old unit, and if it's close to any fireworks, that you go up and you're checking the roof afterwards to make sure that no ash or nothing caused any damage to them as well. So, all right, well, thanks again so much for watching. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist. I'm here again talking about a Grand Design Reflection. And I gotta say, guys, Grand Design's really doing a fantastic job. If you haven't seen some of our other pictures and posts, the units are looking fantastic. We've seen less issues with them. Their team has been fantastic to deal with. And, you know, and hopefully the rest of you are having that kind of experience. If you're not, you know, figure out what's going on. Reach out to your local dealership. Maybe you rubbed them wrong or had some kind of issue, or reach out to, you know, the manufacturer directly. Or if you're just not happy with the way that shop does you, come see us here in Lodi, California. We're the same. Since we're independent, we're small, we don't take a lot of the gruff either. So make sure you treat us as how you'd want to be treated, and we'll treat you the same. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, RV Specialist.